Hey everybody, it's Joel with Achieva Rehab. One of the things that we believe deeply in that is missing from the healthcare community is education. We like to educate our patients throughout the sessions, throughout their episode of care. So I wanted to pass along a tip to you today that comes up a little bit after Halloween. I thought about, how much fun the kids were having, dressing up, going out and doing their trick-or-treating. And I also thought about how children sit. Now, this isn't necessarily about children, but it's about posture, and it's about posture in adults, and it's about preventing bad posture in adults. So every child goes through years of their life being told that they need to sit up, bring their shoulders back, bring their chin up. Why? Why do we care about that as children? Well, because as their bones are developing, we want that normality. We want them to develop into healthy young children and healthy adults, and posture is a huge part of that. Most parents don't know the ins and outs of why they're telling their children to sit up. They just know that it's been done for years and years and years. So a couple tips for adults at this point. As you get older, obviously, we will see some changes in your posture because gravity is never off. We're constantly fighting the forces of gravity on a daily basis. So a few things. Anybody who is walking around, I want you to keep your shoulders back. If you put your shoulders back and you puff out your chest a little bit, that keeps the nice arch in your low back, and it changes everything all the way up to your neck. It puts everything in better alignment. If you can focus on this one thing, keeping your shoulders back, your posture will be much, much better than it is and have a better chance moving forward to maintain a normal curvature of your back, which is extremely, extremely important. The other thing is lift your chin up. Everybody needs to walk around proudly. Nobody needs to be able to look down or have to look down for anything. When you lift up your chin, it engages your back muscles that support your posture. Okay, that's very, very important. The last thing, and it's a very great general tip that I tell most of my patients, never sit for longer than 20 minutes. I have not found a single chair in any of my patients' homes that supports good posture. Every chair that people sit in will often put your back in a position that is the opposite of what we want. And if you sit for longer than 20 minutes, you're feeding into this same overall degeneration of the tissues back there and the stretching of the muscles that we need to keep tight to keep you tall. So never sit for more than 20 minutes. Get up and move around if you're sitting for a while watching TV or reading a book or anything like that. I hope that these are helpful to you going forward. I hope they can have an impact on your posture as you grow and continue to stay active and mobile. Please give us a look on our Facebook page. Give us a look on our website, www.achievarehab.com. There are a ton of free tips on many, many issues that you or your family may be going through.